Starting a DBT project for your company can seem daunting, with the need for the right tools, thorough documentation, and a clear path forward. This is where Paradime steps in. We have designed the perfect platform for new data teams to learn and implement end-to-end DBT projects, making the journey from idea to production smooth. Our platform's core is Paradime 101, a comprehensive 4-hour course that walks you through every facet of the tool. Whether you're initiating your first project, developing transformations, or deploying into production, we have you covered. Additionally, we demonstrate how to utilize our native AI features to speed up your workflow. However, our support doesn't end at teaching. Our user-friendly interface makes it simple to apply what you've learned. You'll find extensive documentation and visual tutorials right where you need them, within the application itself, whenever you're using a feature. Whether you're accessing our guide through our product documentation or exploring the app's features, we're dedicated to helping your data team succeed. With Paradime, you're not just acquiring a platform, but a partner in your DBT journey.